All right. Looks like it's a couple minutes past 7:45, so let's get started with our 2021 Topps Museum Collection Baseball Random Team One Box Break number 2. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and number 5. And we've got Ronald in the top spot and Joseph in the bottom spot. If you hear that noise in the background, it is a little bit of thunder. I don't think it's supposed to be a big deal though, just kind of seasonal. And frankly, we could use some rain. It's been hotter than the dickens here for the last week, so it'd be nice to cool things off a little bit. All right, so I'm going to cut and paste this over to the right and sort by everybody's names. We'll see who gets which teams, and then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. All righty, so Anthony's got the Mariners and the Tigers. Brian's got the Astros and the Reds. David's got the Royals. Eric has the Marlins. Fred B has the Rockies and the Twins. Fred S has the Cubs and the Mets. George has the White Sox. Hector has the Blue Jays, the Dodgers, and the Rays. Joe has the Brewers and the Rangers. Joseph has the Yankees. Lawrence has the A's. Lori has the Braves and the Orioles. Lewis has the Cardinals. Mike has the Giants, the Indians, the Pirates, and the Red Sox. Ronald has the Angels, the Diamondbacks, the Nationals, and the Padres. And Seth has the Phillies. All right, now that we have been through our list, we'll open our box. And of course, each master box of Museum has 4 mini boxes, each with a distinct type of hit in it. So one will have a quad relic, one will have a regular relic, one will have an on-card autograph, and then one will have a relic autograph. Go ahead and cut all those. All right, box number 1. Well, the rain is coming down. And our first card is Jose Altuve for the Astros. Then our next card is Shane Bieber, base for the Indians. Then our next card is David Ortiz, base for the Red Sox. Then our next card is a canvas collection of Xander Bogaerts, and it is a reproduction. And then our hit in mini box 1 is a Jesus Luzardo autograph. Serial numbered 49 of 50. Didn't he just get traded to Miami this week for Marte? Nice on-card signature. Mini box number 2. So we still have our quad relic, our regular relic, and our relic autograph. And our first card is a Tony Gwynn purple parallel, serial numbered 81 of 99 for the Padres. Then our next card is Christian Yelich base for the Brewers. And then our next card is a Ian Anderson rookie for the Braves. And our next card is a Sam Huff rookie for the Rangers. And our last card in the box is a dual jersey autograph of Kyle Hendricks for the Cubs. Is it serial numbered? Yep, serial numbered on the back. 108 of 284. Got some more stages here. Mini box number 3. I did a terrible job cutting the overwrap on that. And our first card is a Bob Gibson parallel for the Cardinals. Our next card is a Alex Kirilloff rookie for the Twins. And then our next card is Francisco Lindor for the Mets. And then our next card is a Ryan Mountcastle rookie for the Orioles. And our last card in the box, whoa, how about that? A 4-color patch for Mike Trout. Serial number 20 of 25. How about that? That is awesome. How about that? Great hit for the Angel spot. That is awesome. Alrighty. Well, certainly a nice way of ending mini box number 3. So now we're on to our 4th mini box, which will have our quad swatch memorabilia card in it. If I can get the overwrap off the mini box first. And our first card is Willie Mays, parallel for the Giants. And our next card is Vladdy Jr. for the Blue Jays. And our next card is Pete Alonso for the Mets. And then our next card is a Canvas Collection Al Kaline for the Tigers. And it is a reproduction. Always have to check. Very odd to get two of those. And then our last card in our mini box is a Will Smith quad jersey, serial numbered 6/99 for the Dodgers. A couple blue swatches and then two white swatches in the middle. Alrighty, now that we have opened all four of our mini boxes, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. So we'll start with our base cards. So first is Pete Alonso for the Mets. And that goes to Fred S. Congrats on that, Fred. And the next is Vladdy Jr. for the Blue Jays. And that goes to Hector. I guess it would help if I showed my screen. Sorry about that. So there's the Mets with Fred. And then Hector, of course, has got the Blue Jays for the Vladdy Jr. And then next is our Ryan Mountcastle rookie for the Orioles. And that goes to Lori. Congrats on that, Lori. And then next, Francisco Lindor with the Mets goes to Fred. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is our Alex Kirilloff rookie for the Twins. And that goes to Fred B. Congrats on that, Fred. Thanks for joining us this evening. And then next is our Sam Huff rookie for the Rangers. And that goes to Joe. Congrats on that, Joe. And then next is our Ian Anderson rookie for the Braves. And that goes to Lori. Congrats on that, Lori. Yikes. A little thunder in the background. A little ominous. Our next card is a Christian Yelich base for the Brewers. And that goes to Joe. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is our David Ortiz base for the Red Sox. And that goes to Mike. Congrats on that, Mike. And then our last base card is Shane Bieber for the Indians. And that goes to Mike as well. Doubling up. Congrats on that. So next we'll do our canvas collections. First is Al Kaline for the Tigers. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then our next canvas collection is Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. And that goes to Mike with the triple. Congrats on that. My goodness, that does not sound good. So in case my feed goes dead for a little bit, you all know why. We're getting a little bit of thunderstorms in the area, but it should pass. So our first parallel is Jose Altuve for the Astros. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. Thanks for joining us this weekend. And then next is our Willie Mays parallel for the Giants. And that goes to Mike. Congrats on that. And then next is Bob Gibson for the Cardinals. And that goes to Lewis. Congrats on that, Lewis. And then next is our Tony Gwynn purple parallel, serial numbered to 99 for the Padres. And that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that, Ronald. So then next we'll go through our hits. First is our Jesus Luzardo archival autographs signature, serial number to 50 for the A's. And that goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that, Lawrence. And then next is our quad jersey card of Will Smith for the Dodgers. and that goes to Hector. Congrats on that, Hector. And then next is our dual jersey autograph of Kyle Hendricks for the Cubs, and that goes to Fred S. Congrats on that, Fred. And last but certainly not least is our Mike Trout 4-color jersey patch, serial number to 25 for the Angels, and that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that, Ronald. Awesome. Let's take another look at that Trout. That is nuts. Nice little 4-color patch. Game used is denoted there on the bottom of the card. Very nice. Very nice. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2021 Museum Collection Baseball Random Team 1-box break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 7 minutes with our 2021 Prism Draft Football 3-hanger box random player break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.